Looking for a Red Sea getaway that won't break the bank but still delivers on those postcard-perfect beach vibes? Let's dive deep into the Amarina Queen Resort Marsa Alam, a 4-star all-inclusive property that's been making waves along Egypt's stunning coastline since 2008. This place sits right on the Red Sea, about 52 kilometers down the Safaga Marsa Alam Road, and it's become something of a favorite for families, diving enthusiasts, and couples who want sunshine without the 5-star price tag. The resort sprawls across 70,000 square meters of prime beachfront real estate, featuring that classic Moorish Arabian architecture with whitewashed buildings, domed roofs, and palm trees swaying in the breeze. It's the kind of place where you can actually see your money's worth, with ratings hovering around 8 out of 10 on Booking and 4 out of 5 on TripAdvisor. Now, before you start picturing ultra-luxury, let's be clear, this is solid mid-range territory. The resort has picked up some nice recognition, including TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Awards for the past couple of years and Booking's Guest Review Award in 2024, so they're clearly doing something right. With 320 rooms spread across different categories, this Egyptian-owned property caters primarily to the dive crowd and families looking for value-packed Red Sea holidays. The big draw here is that house reef, which you can access right from the beach without needing a boat, making it a snorkeler's dream come true. When it comes to accommodation, the Amarina Queen offers 6 main room categories that should cover pretty much everyone's needs and budgets. Starting at the entry level, the standard rooms clock in at 35 square meters and come with either a king bed or twins, which is perfect if you're traveling with a friend or just prefer your own space. These rooms include all the basics you'd expect: air conditioning, satellite television, a minibar that gets restocked daily as part of the all-inclusive package, a safe for your valuables, tea and coffee making facilities, and a balcony or terrace where you can catch some fresh air. The bathroom has a shower and they provide shower gel and shampoo, so you don't need to pack your entire bathroom cabinet. Views here are typically garden or pool facing, and they can accommodate 2 adults plus 1 child. If you want to upgrade to a sea view without jumping categories, that option exists. Prices for these start around 80 to 120 euros per night for 2 adults on an all-inclusive basis, depending on the season. Moving up the ladder, the superior rooms give you 40 square meters and often include a separate living area option, which makes a real difference when you need a bit of breathing room. These come with the added luxury of bathrobes and slippers, and they're generally located in the quieter, renovated sections of the resort. They face either the pool or sea and can fit 2 adults plus 2 children, with prices ranging from 90 to 140 euros per night. For families who need serious space, the family rooms are 50 square meters of relief, offering 2 bedrooms or bunk bed configurations. These come with extra beds or sofa beds, and some have interconnecting doors, which is brilliant if you've got kids who want their own space but you still want to keep an ear out. They throw in some kids extras too, and views are typically garden or pool facing. Expect to pay between 100 and 160 euros per night for this setup. If you're celebrating something special or just fancy treating yourself, the junior suites offer 55 square meters with a separate bedroom and lounge area, a king bed, and some nice touches like an espresso machine and a fruit basket on arrival. These seafront beauties come with priority service and will set you back between 130 and 200 euros per night. The Seaview bungalows are particularly popular because they're standalone low-rise units of 45 square meters with direct beach access paths and private terraces. You're basically steps from the reef, which is perfect for those early morning snorkeling sessions before the crowds arrive. These can accommodate 2 adults and 2 children and cost between 110 and 170 euros per night. At the top of the range, the Royal Suite is a proper 80 square meter palace with 2 bedrooms, a jacuzzi tub, butler service, welcome champagne, and panoramic sea views. It can sleep 4 adults comfortably and includes private check-in, with prices ranging from 250 to 400 euros per night. One thing to note across all categories: the Wi-Fi is free in the lobby and public areas but can be spotty in the rooms themselves, which might be a blessing in disguise if you're trying to disconnect. Recent renovations in 2023 and 2024 brought new bedding and upgraded air conditioning to many rooms, and the lobby and main restaurant got a facelift in 2022, though some guests still mention that certain rooms feel a bit tired and could use more comprehensive updates. The dining situation at Amarina Queen is where this resort really starts to shine, especially considering the all-inclusive format. You've got 5 main venues covering everything from buffet spreads to intimate a la carte experiences, and the variety gets consistent praise from guests who appreciate not eating the same thing every night. The Queen Main Restaurant is your buffet headquarters, a spacious 400-seat hall with sea views where breakfast runs from 7 to 10 in the morning, lunch from 12:30 to 2:30 in the afternoon, and dinner from 7 to 10 at night. The spread here is genuinely impressive, covering international favorites alongside Egyptian specialties and Italian classics. You'll find mess stations, grills, seafood including special fresh lobster nights, extensive salad bars, and a dessert section that could be dangerous if you lack self-control. The dress code is smart casual, which basically means don't show up in your beach towel, but you don't need to get fancy either. What makes the buffet more interesting are the themed nights, Italian on Wednesdays and a big barbecue on Fridays that really draws a crowd. No reservations needed here, you just show up hungry. For something more refined, La Pergola Italian operates twice a week in the evenings with an a la carte menu featuring proper pasta, wood-fired pizza, tiramisu, and dishes like veal scallopine. This terrace restaurant seats 80 and has candlelit tables with views of that pizza oven working its magic. You'll need to book ahead for this one, and the dress code steps up to elegant casual. El Sinbad Seafood is the beachfront gem, literally a toes-in sand experience where you can watch platters of grilled fish, shrimp, and calamari being prepared. They serve both lunch and dinner, running from noon to 3 and 7 to 10, and while it's casual enough for swimwear, making a reservation is advised because this spot fills up fast. The seafood barbecue nights here are particularly popular, with red mullet being a standout. Pharaoh's Oriental offers another a la carte option twice weekly, blending Egyptian and Asian fusion cuisine in a 50-seat space decorated with low lighting and cushions for that authentic vibe. The menu features kashari, tajin, and even sushi rolls, and some evenings include belly dance shows to complete the experience. Smart casual dress code applies, and reservations are required. Beyond the restaurants, you've got the pool bar and beach bar running from 10 in the morning until midnight, serving casual fare like burgers, ice cream, and cocktails. These are perfect for those moments when you need a snack between meals or just want to lounge with a drink in hand. The all-inclusive package covers drinks at both bars, with a happy hour that makes the cocktails flow even more freely. One common thread in reviews is that while the food variety is excellent and the quality generally good, some guests mention repetition if you're staying for 2 weeks or more, which is pretty standard for all-inclusive properties. The pool and beach situation is where Amarina Queen really earns its keep, particularly for families and water enthusiasts. The resort features 3 distinct pools covering different needs and preferences. The main pool is the largest at 1,200 square meters and 1.4 meters deep, designed as the family hub where kids and adults mix freely. It's heated during the winter months, which is a nice touch when the evening temperatures drop, and it's open from 8 in the morning until 8 at night year-round. Around the pool, you'll find complimentary towels, waiter service bringing drinks and snacks to your lounger, and easy access to the bar. The adults-only relaxation pool offers 800 square meters of peace and quiet at 1.2 meters deep, also heated in winter. This is where couples and solo travelers escape the splash zone for some genuine downtime. Then there's the kids' pool, a 200 square meter shallow area with slides that keeps the little ones entertained for hours. All 3 pools have plenty of suns and umbrellas, and the poolside service means you rarely need to move once you've claimed your spot. But here's the thing, as nice as the pools are, the real star of this resort is the beach. 300 meters of private white sand stretch along the Red Sea, and the house reef access is what brings people back year after year. This isn't one of those beaches where you need to take a boat out to see anything interesting underwater. The reef is right there, accessible by simply walking into the water from the shore, and it's consistently rated as one of the best house reefs in Marsa. Guests regularly report seeing turtles, colorful fish, and vibrant coral formations just meters from their beach loungers. The beach service includes waiters who will bring drinks and snacks to you, free suns and umbrellas, and a general vibe that's relaxed without being crowded. For water sports enthusiasts, kayaks and paddleboards are included in the all-inclusive package, while diving costs extra at around €40 per dive through the resort's PADI-certified dive center. Windsurfing is also available for an additional fee. The dive center gets particular praise from experienced divers who appreciate the professionalism and the fact that you can do multiple dives a day without long boat trips eating into your time. The resort has implemented reef protection programs with strict no-touch snorkeling rules, which helps preserve this incredible ecosystem. Best visibility is typically from October through May, though the reef is accessible and enjoyable year-round. The combination of the house reef, the sandy beach, and the multiple pool options means there's genuinely something for everyone, whether you're a serious diver, a casual snorkeler, or someone who just wants to float with a book. Beyond swimming and diving, the Amarina Queen keeps guests busy with a solid range of activities and entertainment options that cater to different energy levels and interests. The fitness center is open from 7 in the morning until 9 at night and comes equipped with treadmills, weights, bikes, and yoga mats for those who can't skip their workout routine even on vacation. What makes it more interesting are the daily classes, including aqua aerobics in the pool and Zumba sessions that attract a fun crowd. If you want more personalized attention, personal training sessions are available for an extra fee. The resort runs a weekly entertainment schedule that includes evening shows featuring fire performers, acrobats, and live music every night. There's a disco for those who want to dance after dinner, and beach parties that pop up regularly during high season. The entertainment can feel a bit repetitive if you're staying for an extended period, which is a common complaint in longer stay reviews, but for a week-long visit, most guests find it varied enough. The resort also embraces seasonal events, with New Year's Eve galas and Halloween parties that get surprisingly elaborate. For those interested in exploring beyond the resort, organized excursions are available to nearby attractions, though these typically cost extra. The resort has made efforts towards sustainability, installing solar panels, reducing plastic use, and running those reef protection programs mentioned earlier. These aren't just marketing claims either. Guests notice the refillable water stations and the absence of single-use plastics in many areas. The overall activity level at the resort tends to be moderate, meaning it's not one of those places with non-stop animation teams pushing you to join every game, but there's enough happening that you won't be bored if you want structured entertainment. The spa and wellness facilities provide a proper escape for those seeking relaxation beyond the beach lounger. The spa offers a comprehensive menu of treatments including Swedish massage, hot stone therapy, facials, body scrubs, and traditional henna applications. The signature treatment is a Red Sea algae wrap that uses local ingredients and gets rave reviews from guests who try it. Beyond the treatment rooms, the facilities include a sauna, steam room, 2 jacuzzis, and a relaxation lounge where you can decompress before or after your treatment. The spa operates from 9 in the morning until 8 at night, and bookings can be made either at the main reception or directly at the spa desk. Prices for treatments are reasonable by resort standards, though they're not included in the all-inclusive package. The therapists receive consistent praise for their skill and professionalism, and the atmosphere manages to feel genuinely tranquil despite being part of a busy resort. Some guests mention that the spa can get booked up during peak season, so reserving your preferred time slots early in your stay is advisable. The wellness program extends beyond the spa with daily yoga sessions, though these are sometimes weather-dependent if they're scheduled on the beach. The overall wellness vibe is more about relaxation and pampering than hardcore detox programs or intensive fitness regimens, which suits the resort's laid-back character perfectly. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.